How to claim website on Pinterest. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can claim a website on Pinterest. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first of all, if I go into my profile, there you're going to be able to see that I have a link to my website. How you can do it, you can edit their profile from here, or you can click this down arrow and go into settings, and there in your edit profile page you're gonna be able to have a website, and you can delete it and also write another website that you want. You must save it, and if you go into your profile again, there's the change. Okay, so there's another option to claim your website. So here into the down arrow and settings, in the left panel you have an option that says claimed accounts. So when you claim an account, you can monitor analytics and ensure your name or brand name appears on every pin created from your sites. Okay, that's cool. So if you want to claim it, you must click here. There are three options to claim it. Add the HTML tag into your website, upload the HTML file, or add TXT record. So I recommend you to do this. You must copy this and paste it into the head of your website. Okay, that depends of what tool are you using to create your website, but this is simple. You can click on learn more if you have doubts about it. You must click on continue, write the website, click on verify, and by now, because I don't have any relevant, so this has not been successful. But in case you have a really great website, not as mine, so you just have to click on verify, and this is gonna have the procedure completed, and there's gonna be your website. And that's how you can do it. That's how you can claim your website on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.